Viewers, I am Farzana. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு 12th standard computer application reduce the syllabus 2021 to 22 பார்க்க போகிறோம். Chapter 1 Multimedia and Desktop Publishing. Content 1.1 Introduction to Multimedia. 1.4 File Format of Multimedia. 1.5 Multimedia Production. 1.8 Library Information. Chapter 2 An Introduction to Adobe PageMaker. 2.2 Introduction to Adobe PageMaker. 2.7 Text Block. 2.8 Understanding Story. 2.9 Threading Text Blocks. 2.10 Placing Text in a Frame. 2.16 Magnifying and Reduced with the Zoom tool. 2.17 Formatting a document. 2.18 Drawing. 2.19 Working with Pages. 2.20 Master Pages. 2.21 Print a document. Chapter 3 Introduction to Database Management System. 3.1 Introduction to DBMS. 3.3 RDBMS. 3.4 RDBMS. 3.5 ER model. 3.6 ER diagram. 3.7 Introduction to MySQL. Chapter 4 Introduction to Hypertext Preprocess. 4.1 Introduction to PHP. 4.3 Silent Serve Architecture. 4.6 Web Document Concept. Chapter 5 PH Functions and Array. Parameterized function. 5.2 Array in PHP. PHP conditional statement. If else statement in PHP. If else statement in PHP. Switch cases. Chapter 7 Looping Structure. Looping structure. Introduction for each loop. Chapter 8 Forms and Files. 8.1 HTML Forms. Chapter 9 Connecting PHP and MySQL. 9.1 MySQL function in PHP. Chapter 10 Introduction to Computer Network. 10.1 Introduction. 10.3 Uses of Computer Network. Chapter 11 Network Example and Protocols. 11.1 Introduction. Chapter 12 DNS Domain Name System. 12.1 Introduction. 12.2 Overview of DNS. 12.4 Uniform Resources Locatory. 2.5 DNS Components. Network Cabling. Introduction Type of Network Cabling. Chapter 14 Open Source Concept of Introduction. Chapter 15 E-commerce. Introduction to E-commerce. 15.2 the evaluation of electronic commerce. 15.3 the development and growth of electronic commerce. 15.5 e-commerce revenue model. Chapter 16 Electronic Payment System. 6.1 Introduction to Electronic Payment. 16.2 Classification of Electronic Payment System. 16.3 Card Based Payment System. 16.4 Electronic Account Transfer. Chapter 17 E-commerce Security System. 17.3 Dimension of E-commerce Security System. 17.4 Security Technologies. Chapter 18 Electronic Data Interchange. 18.3 Advantages of EDI. 8.4 EDI Layers. 8.5 EDI Components. 8.6 EDI Standards. 8.7 UNR-EDI Facts. Practical. Second one PageMaker Creating Notice. Fourth one PageMaker Creating Notice Board. Fifth one MySQL Usage of Command in DB. PHP Basic Programming. Seventh one PHP Created Execute Variables. Ninth one String Function. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for the new videos.